Hey everybody, what is good? It's your boy Eddie back again with another video. What's good, TRD fam? I appreciate y'all for tuning in back for another video. Appreciate y'all for the feedback y'all gave me the last video. No cap, I truly appreciate it. Y'all some real ones, no cap. Y'all really helped me get through my day. Just reading the feedback and seeing the likes that it got, it was good to know that you guys understood me and everything. So I love y'all for real. Y'all like amazing family, no cap. Today I decided, let's go hit the gym. That's what I'm gonna do, hit the gym. I want to clean up my room a little bit, and I gotta fix my bumper because my bumper is sticking out still. It like popped out. I gotta like take off the, I gotta open the hood, take out the part, almost like if I was taking out my headlight again. I have to do all that to like get it fixed, but we'll get all that done today. So I hope y'all having a great day, great start, morning, great morning, great day. I hope you guys do have a beautiful, amazing day. If you guys are not yet having one, but I'm sure you guys are. Yeah, let's get this little cold start going, huh? Let's do it like this because I didn't want to come out the car. And guys, it's so crazy. Within the last 2 days of driving to my job at Valencia, I added 200 miles to my car, bro. 250 miles within like 3 days. That's crazy. It was like 50 miles going there and 50 miles back. So it's like 100 a day. That shit was just crazy, yo. Alright guys, I think we're gonna hit some chest today because your boy has been I had a chest day. I've hit back and everything else, but not chest. So I did hit chest, and then tomorrow's probably leg day, but let's go get this. We gotta find some machines and hit this workout. Guys, as you can tell, I finished my workout. I am tired. I am hungry as hell. Dummy hungry. And yeah, I just showed you guys a little bit of what I did. I didn't film everything I did just because I feel like I'm not a fitness channel, and I don't know if you guys really want to see stuff like that. If you guys do, let me know. I will post more videos of my workouts and give you guys more depth. But if not, I don't got to, so I didn't incorporate a lot of it. But I don't know, I'm debating on what to eat. I don't know if I should just cook something at home or if I should get some Yoshinoya. I don't know. Yoshinoya just sounds bomb, bro. And I had a Yoshinoya addiction back in like high school. My Yoshinoya addiction was crazy. I was getting that thing every day because it was so good. Now I haven't had it in a cool minute. But I don't know if I should just cook or spend my money. Ooh, I have a package and I know what it is. It's another hat. Guys, I have a serious hat addiction. No fucking cap. I really do. No pun intended. And this is the hat I got. Jeez, look at that, bro. Jeez. With the blue UV. Oh my god, that's ice. Watch this. Bro, look at all these hats, bro. I'm telling y'all, look at this. SD. Toronto, LA with a pink UV. Got the black version. Then we got the lavender NY, baby blue with a rose LA, baby blue NY, pink bottoms. All of them are basically pink bottoms. Oh, except for this one as well. Yellow, pink bottom. Florida. Oh, this turquoise bottom is sexy. And then another A's hat, burgundy with a pink bottom. Look at this, bro. It's so gorgeous. I forgot I totally got to return these. So that's what I'm going to go do right now at the mall. And, bro, That's $40 in my pocket. Yes, sir. I was still wondering about my rims. They're still there. I still have them. I don't know if I want to sell them just yet. Maybe, but I'm not sure. Back here, I think I have my original headlights. Yeah, these are my OEM headlights. I think I'm gonna sell those. And I have the OEM tail lights, and I think I'm gonna sell that as well. So if you guys see an Instagram post of me posting them to sell them, hey, there it is. And I think I might sell this lip too, because I have no use for it. I spent like, I think $100 on it, but I'll sell it for cheap because I fucked it up. I fucked up the holes right here. Yeah, see, I wasn't supposed to put holes here. They're supposed to be like this, covered, but I fucked up. But you could barely tell. So if anybody wants that, let me know, bro. I'll give you a fair ass deal. I just finished returning my stuff. Yeah, so I finished returning my pants. It was nice, quick, easy, get my money that fast. And the boy Chris hit me up because he wants to go karting later. So I was like, bro, I'm down. Fucking bet. I'm down, so let's do it. So that's what we're gonna do later on today. We're gonna go go-kart racing. I'm excited as hell now, bro. Now we're going go-karts. Oh yes, sir. But I haven't gone go-karting in like a good 2 years, maybe. Yeah, it's a shame. I feel bad for myself that I haven't even gone. So I guess we decided what I'm gonna eat, huh? Yep. Your boy needs some gas, and that's what I'm here to do. Some gas. What up, gas? Yes, sir. So yeah, your boy needed some gas. He got his food right here. And honestly, I just can't wait to eat because I still haven't ate. I got home, got the shirts, literally left and returned it, and yeah. But yeah, overall it's gonna be a lit day, bro. It's already going a good day, great day. If y'all having a great day, smash that like button right now. Right now. Let's see. No, still not yet, still going. Done. Yes, sir. Every little bit of it. Oh. And we are good. We got gas. We got, oh yeah, we got more than enough. We're good. Not a full tank, but we're good. We are now ready. I'm about to go pick up my boy Chris, and yeah, let's go. Got your boy with the nice athlete's hat with the legends. Shout out to Dustin Williams because I bought it when I was there. And you know, nice little simple fit. Yazerski, my dad's car. It went to get wrapped again because it got new body parts and it's gonna look all different now. It's got the front bumper different. It's gonna get the rear bumper different, and the side skirts are gonna be different. So yeah, pretty cool. But my car's still looking good. I was supposed to have an appointment yesterday to get it dropped and lowered more, but yeah, I couldn't make it, obviously, because I was at work. But yeah, I had to reschedule with him. I don't know when he's gonna squeeze me in. He says sometime next week. I still want to drop it just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Let it redline. Those little pops, y'all heard that? It was so nice, those pops. I hope the camera captured it. But I'm almost by Chris's house. Bro, I'm in the area I grew up in. I grew up right here in these apartment buildings. Everything's changed so much. Yeah, this is my hood right here. Van Nuys, California, bro. This is where, right here, Hazeltine Avenue, all this street, this is where I grew up, bro. The homie used to live right here too. One of the homies do live right there right now, actually. But, you know, good times, baby, good times. I used to live right there when I was younger, and I lived over here. I'll show y'all right now. It was so nice, bro. I had to put my camera down because it was a cop. Does this man have the same hat I do, but just in different colors? I don't like this.
Hey. Can we just go to New York? You wanna go to New York?
Homie got money, he acting different. Shit, I need that money too.
She wants to go to Hawaii or New York,
man. Why'd you tell her you had that? Sheesh. Loki, just remembered it's the boy Chris's first time in the TRD.
Shit is badass. I was telling him that eventually when he gets lower, he's not gonna be able to go through my drive-thru.
But I don't think I'd even be able to go through my drive-thru.
You're gonna park it outside in the front.
Yeah.
Low stands, boys.
That's fuck.
But I know we showed him in my G37.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did?
When we went to the meet.
So guys, I'm buying another car, a Volkswagen GTI 2005 6-speed manual. I uses it daily because gas is a little expensive right now. And the G37 is a little pricey for gas.
Oh, yeah. But even mine too, just a V6 and shit.
Dude, I had to put $80.
You were what, 3.7?
3.7.
I'm a 3.5.
How much did you put it full of? Like 70?
75 around there, 80.
80.
Bro,
I'm gonna take Eddie to MB2 Speed Race. We're gonna go drive little go-karts. We have the GoPro right here, and then maybe get some drone shots for this guy. So
yeah, bro, because y'all know we need them drone shots, rolling shots. We need everything we can get at the TRD right now, bro. And shout out to my boy Chris coming with the tech, you know what I'm saying? And you guys might see him a lot more often in the videos now because, bro, a lot of shit's gonna be going on. He's gonna help me film here and there. So it's just like, you guys might see Chris a lot in the vlogs now. So, hey, get used to him. Hey, those mirrors looking a little dirty, tacked up, but shit, when you see the camera rolling, hold up. Look at that, bro. Look at that. I just need to get a little lower. I'm telling y'all, a little bit lower and I'll be straight. Oh shit, word here, Bato, word here. Oh shit, it's about to be lit, bro. I'm about to smoke this food. Oof. We're about to get the drone out right now. See if we can get some little shots before the sun about to really go down. Yeah, our races aren't until 9:30 and it's always A16 because we got 2 races. So shout out to the boy Chris because homie hooked that up. You know? And let me know how you guys like the drone shots. How like if you guys like those type of shots, if I should put those more into the videos and all that. Like, let me know. If you do, I'll put more drone shots and get me a drone. But it actually has a little light in the bottom. That's crazy, like a little UFO. What the fuck? Bro, that's so sick. Guys, we've just been killing time here at the games. We ain't really playing them. We're just chilling here because it's good lighting. Yeah, bro, it's 9:15. We got 15 more minutes until our races, but I'm just trying to race already, bro. Like, that's it. I'm just trying to race. What the hell going on? I don't even know if you guys can hear me. bro, my shit glistening either way.
Hey, like the new whip polish.
Hey, tell to put the thing on.
My foot is running.
He don't want
Hey,
it.
you got 20 on the power. What?
20, that's it?
20, dog. 20K.
Look, I don't have that much money, like I have to fix this. This is what I was talking about earlier, guys. I have the screw for it. It's just a screw that needs to get put in and it'll stay like put in like the other side. That's what I was talking about, guys. I need to fix that still. So we might fix that tomorrow. You guys saw the GoPro footage of the last race, bro. I was killing it, dog. I was going fast, dog.
Hey, I bet you half of those kids don't even know how to drive in real life.
Probably not. But bro, he didn't slow down my thing this time. I was straight. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here because we about to go eat and we hungry and yeah, we gotta find something to eat. So I don't know what that is and it's late already. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like button. If you guys are not yet subscribed, join the family. Hit that subscribe button. Be part of it. You know what I'm saying? It's nothing but InZaNe and lit content out here. And shout out to the boy Chris, you know what I'm saying? So just stick tuned. We got lots coming for real. But like I said, yo, this has been your boy Eddie and I'm out.